Thanks for joining us today. I'm Fletch, and my wife Leslie and I are known as the Flippin' Fletches. We found this estate sale today. It was the only one there was, and we went on a cold, wintry day here in southwest Michigan. But man, Leslie found a treasure trove. So let's get going.
You're doing a great job. Wow.
I'm gonna have some man-shoulders by the end.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Got a heat wave here in southwest Michigan. It's 24 degrees. No price. Oh, there it is. $100. Whoa. For a very used steel weed whacker. Wow. They want $100 for that weed whacker, Leslie.
Really? It's kind of cool piece right here.
Oh yeah. Very cool. You got a plant for that. The battery is shot. I had to replace it. That one's going in the trash can.
Yeah, I had stuff hanging up here that I thought you would be interested in. It's not here anymore.
Okay.
Thought I'd find something in here, but
You work here?
no.
Okay.
Oh, $24.
Thank you.
How much? What? Oh. I'm on my way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
That's so cute.
Look at these, man. $100 for the entire set.
Thank you. Do you guys need a bag?
These. I'm in. Buying that.
There you go. There you go. You want this little fellow wrapped? Sure.
Are these clubs still available?
They are. They're lefties.
Yep, that's all right. I'm gonna buy them, okay?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Another great find by Leslie, and what a great buy. I waited to post this video so that we could share with you exactly what we make on a haul like this. And as we go in the video, I'm going to post each and every item that was in that bag, including the bag, and what we sold it for. And then at the end, I'm going to do a complete breakdown on a spreadsheet of exactly what we made after eBay fees, shipping fees, and everything. So let's keep it a-going.
Are you a lefty?
Yep.
That's crazy. I only know one other lefty.
What, you calling me crazy?
My grandpa's lefty.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
I only golf and bat left-handed.
That's the
I'm
same
right-handed.
thing.
Yeah. So we're both crazy.
There you go. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Good job, Leslie.
Yeah. I didn't know if they were available or not, but it sure looked like it.
Yeah, $100. Heck, get $70, $80 just for the bag.
Yeah, no,
Nice clubs.
Callaway.
Callaway X.
Oh.
We've had those before.
Uh-huh.
That's awesome. It's a way to start a day.
Absolutely. Glad I told you to come here first.
That's the truth. Look at this box, Leslie. That's cool. That's handmade.
That's
Walnut.
walnut, yeah. That's beautiful. What's it for?
Well, I don't know.
What is that?
This comes out of there. It's supposed to. Yeah, we can't use it. Sure is nice though. Look at this. Turtle. Martini spoken here. That's great. Nice clean house. Wow. Oh, I thought that was a Farberware at first.
There's a fan.
Yeah, $10.
No, a little one.
That's $10. The black one, the one behind it's got.
Oh, interesting. What do you put on? Something down here that,
She kept it clean.
boy.
Well, I shopped everywhere else. I didn't buy it.
Yeah.
It's gonna sound silly, is that the right one? Because these have separate. Okay, yeah, I can say, right, they all have, they all look the same, but they're all different. Okay.
I got something for Benny and I got something. Something for Skylar.
What are they asking for that?
160.
Some of those things bring them away. They sound great.
They do, but
The boat.
after a while, they kind of
They have issues. I've bought a few of them in the past. And,
Me too. Yeah, I've got
Yeah.
like 8 of them now.
do you really?
Yeah, I've got 3 different properties. And
Oh,
At least 2 in every property.
yeah. Huh.
And I actually run my TV and stereos through one of them
Oh,
for the sound.
oh, I guess I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Check this out. There was a King Cobra driving iron. That's a 1 iron. They're very hard to come by, and they are quite the collectible. This is a left-handed one. So I priced it up there at $217.77, and it sold relatively quickly. We were shocked. I didn't think I'd get that much for it, but somebody wanted it, especially in a left-hander. So that really brings our cumulative gross sales up a notch.
Just aware. Did you see this?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. That metal sign.
How are you?
How are you?
Okay,
Happy New Year.
thanks. Happy New Year.
Can't do it.
I don't know why I have
They have so many signs.
I love signs. Happy hour. We're happy all the time.
Yeah.
Well, there's been some good sales in here, but the best is yet to come. Hang in there. You won't even believe what we got for these X18 irons.
$300 for that chair. Whew.
But really, that's in 5 minutes. Yards really downstairs. I have to get up and get that up. Dad, there's no that bad, do they?
No.
See, that's it.
Oh, I thought you were looking at mine.
18.
Paid the first one. Where was that?
Is this on hold?
Yes.
Leslie, you got anything?
Yeah, that table for 14.
Oh, that's right.
$2 is your change, you sure can. You're welcome.
I didn't even look at all of them. That's a nice tailor made.
Thank you.
Oh, you have a great
Wow.
day.
Okay.
100. Oh, do you
No,
have
we
some-
got a table for 14.
Okay.
But I don't want to step in front.
Oh, that little cutie?
Yeah, she is
Yeah.
cute, isn't she?
There you go. Yeah.
And the spiders come with it, right?
Oh,
They're totally free.
Oh, wow, you got a bone?
I know.
There's a bag for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, see, you bagged his and make me bag my own. Oh, I see how it is.
He helped me too. He was helpful.
Oh, okay.
Not very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got another one coming up next week?
I think next week we might be off because a few coming
That's
up
a
we need
great
2 weeks for
buy.
setup. So just watch the app.
Very nice.
All right. Bye-bye.
Open the door for me.
Well, there you go.
Now, can you come and melt the snow off the golf course?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'll get right on it.
Thanks.
With my ray of sunshine.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Got it? Just go ahead, baby.
Uh-oh, you're
I'll
losing.
get it. Go, walk. I want to stand it up. There we go. Walk. Yeah, walk.
Look out here. You see anything?
Well, I did quite a bit.
Yeah. It's
Pretty pricey stuff. I don't see any tools I could use. Well, there's some hammers.
Might be written on the wall.
No brand. No brand. Nope. All right, we got our treasure for the day. I'll wipe those spider webs off for you. Be careful. I hope that's a complete set of those Callaway X irons. Well, it was a complete set of Callaway X18 irons. It consisted of the 5 through the 9 iron. Then we had the pitching wedge, the sand wedge, and the gap wedge. We listed these bad dogs for $327.77 plus the shipping, and they sold. What a whale of a sale. Now we're going to give you the breakdown in the spreadsheet to show you the net profit we made. I've been showing you the cumulative gross income that we've made off these. Let's see what we put in our pockets. Go that way. Thanks for hanging with us. Leslie and I had a blast at this sale. I mean, we bought that bag of clubs and a plant table. Nothing else that we found to make money on, but I tell you what, these golf clubs paid off greatly. Take a look at this spreadsheet. As you can see, we have the items that were listed, and then the next column is the date we sold them, so you can see the range, because we went to the sale, it was on February the 4th or 5th. It was right at the beginning of February, and it shows the price that we sold each individual club for in the bag, and then the shipping that we charged, and the shipping cost is in the next column. That's what we ended up having to pay. And the eBay fees. Obviously, there's no eBay fee on the Facebook marketplace where we sold the bag. Then the last is the net profit that we made. So it's $770.34 is what we brought in gross revenue after eBay fees and shipping fees. And then take away the $100 that we
paid for the clubs, we netted, I mean, a net profit of $670.34. That's a great return for paying $100. That's the fun of reselling. Some of these videos we put out and you come along with us, we really hardly buy anything. But that's just the way it is. We show you the reality, not just the fantastic, wonderful sales that we go to. We show you the good, bad, and the ugly. Thanks for watching. Have a crazy good day, and we hope to see you on the next one.